Here we go. Tip number 1, File, Preferences, and under Preferences, select Interface and make sure Content Filter is all the way to the left. Make sure to display all components. And the last one is gonna be, please unhide all those components that I need to learn. So select and notice that all those params and components come up. Second, under widgets, please make sure by default, I believe it is set to 6. Set it to 10 and select the corner where you want these to appear. We will look at it later. And finally, files, make sure to enable it and turn on all these options. You do not want to lose any information if your computer crashes. So there you go. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2. Drag and drop a numeric slider that we're going to cover after this video. Drag another one. Let us go to the Math tab and drag and drop multiplication. Connect this grip to A, this one to B, go back to params and drag and drop a panel. Connect, and there you see it. You have this type of cables. If I drag and drop another numeric slider and I press the Shift key and I connect this one to B, notice that we have 2 values and not 1 value. So this type of pipes, of lines, are telling me that you have more than 1. If I go to Display pull-down menu and I select Do not draw fancy wires, this is what I am going to get. So if you're a beginner, please always draw fancy wires. The second one that I want you to see is this one. Math, addition. Notice the icons. X, plus. You can change that to only draw labels. If you like this, you can set it like that. But I do prefer to always have icons. It is up to you. Why I like icons? Because I went to Food for Rhino and I downloaded this plugin, Sunglasses. It is free. And if you left click, there I have the titles of the names of those components. So if I need this component, all I have to do is double click on the canvas, type addition, and voila, there I have my component. So one more time, display, draw icons, yes or not. Always set fancy wires, and if you prefer, you can have full names. Full names. For example, if I go to sets and I drag and drop any one of these components that we're gonna see today, they are stream 1, stream 0. If I do not want to see full names, I turn it off. So that's tip number 2.